Okay, so today I'm going out with the install crew, which means we're getting up bright and early to beat the heat, get out there and just get going. So it's a little after 6 right now. Got into the office, got things ready, and now we're heading out. Should be installing some pickets. I believe the posts already are on the ground, so we're just installing pickets today and a few gates. Yeah, should be fun. Take you along with us, and hopefully there's some good stuff for you guys. That thing looks kind of handy.
Oh yeah, saves a lot of time.
Why'd you leave this gap?
Well, the gap has to be either on this end or this end.
Gotcha.
You don't want it on the clean end. That's just right where your eye's going to be.
Yeah. So you just cut a small piece for there.
Yeah, cut a small piece and probably put a spacer on it.
So the rest of the fence pretty much went up without a hitch, no issues there. Cody and Bueller continued working on pickets while Scott started the double gate that was on the south side of the house. More cutting, more pickets, more driving things into the ground. Everything was finally starting to come together. And Bueller decided to pour water on his head because why not? The guys are able to finish up with a nice long easy stretch of the fence, as you can see here. I really enjoyed seeing how they got it done and how efficient they were. Hopefully you guys enjoy it too. If you do, let us know in the comments below. Okay, that's another one done, wrapped up, went really smoothly, went faster than we thought it would, so easy peasy, another one in the books. Thanks for watching.
Hey, what's up, Jamal? What are you doing up here?
Oh, nothing much, Matt. What are you doing?
Well, I'm just hanging out.
You gonna tell him about the secret code word or what?
I guess you could tell him though. What is it?
It's pecan.
So today we are going to box up and ship to Amazon a bunch of inch and 5 sleeves. Top rail. Gets 4 to a pack. We've kind of shown how the L-bar works a little bit before, but throw these guys in here. Ready. Voila. And into the heat tunnel you go. And catch and bam.
Beautiful.
Through the magic of filming, we have all of these done. So this are going to go into these magical baggies here. Each one of these gets thrown into a bag. And then we have, through trial and error, figured out how many of these will go into a specific size box to reach our weight, because Amazon, when we ship to Amazon, there's a weight limit. 50 pounds. After we get everything bagged up, next is labels. This right here. I don't know if you can see that. It's a label, yeah. It says this is a set, do not separate. That way the people at Amazon will not open it and it will all stay in factory 4. There's also a suffocation warning. That way you won't choke and die. So this is a new item that we haven't sold through Amazon before. So we got to make the weight, the length, width, height, and all that. Input that so Amazon knows. This is what Amazon will scan when they get it in. Fancy Rolo printer. Thank God.
First try.
First try, every time. So on each one of these, we'll get a label. Whenever somebody buys it from us, Amazon will go, they'll scan this and this will say, hey, this is what they ordered. Basically, if this, they don't look to see if it's right. This tells them what it's right. So if this is wrong, the customer is unhappy. So we tape the boxes, regular tape. Amazon doesn't get the cool tape, that's for customers only. Bam, bam, and boom. Like a glove. And then I leave, and then when I come back, it's gone. I'm just kidding. We gotta ship it through us. Okay, so this is for Amazon to scan. This will tell them what's in the box. This is for UPS to scan. Joliet, Illinois. That's the Midwest distribution center, I guess, for Amazon. I don't really know. That's Jeff Bezos. Voila. This one's ready to go out, and Joe will take it after work to Rapid Ship in Republic. They're great. They ship all of our stuff out for the most part. And it'll be shipped to Amazon. So, there you go. Sleeves.